Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Play app and signing into the account that earned points. Once you're signed in, tap your profile and open Play Points to view balance and tier. That tells you available rewards. Make sure Play Points is enabled. If it isn't, opt in now so future activity accrues. Also update the Play Store app to the latest version to avoid missing new rewards or redemption options. This prevents many early problems. Next, tap Rewards and browse categories like Google Play Credit, coupons, or in-app items. You choose an item and check the point cost. This is why knowing your balance matters. It guides realistic redemptions. Once chosen, tap Redeem or Purchase and review the confirmation screen. Make sure you read expiration dates and usage limits because some coupons apply only to specific publishers or purchases. If a reward offers to finish, verify the redemption receipt in Play Library or your email. That confirms the transaction. Then make a purchase and choose the applied credit or coupon at checkout. Make sure the discount appears before confirming. If a redeemed item doesn't show, first update the Play Store, clear its cache, and sign out and back in to resync balances. If problems persist, contact Google Play support with your receipt. They can trace redemptions and restore missing points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.